Hello and welcome to the payroll presentation of time and attendance application for Redmine. Payroll module itself is introduced in version 2.4, so please feel free to download and use them. Let me just go to. So as soon as you install to version 2.4, you should be able to see the payroll module right here after you enable the payroll module. So the payroll module itself is built on a very simple phenomenon. So basically, you set up the payroll data at the application level, and and that also can be overridden at a employee level. Once the data is set up, so salary can be generated on a periodic basis based on your pay period, whether it's monthly, weekly, or bi-weekly. So let me just quickly show you how to set up the payroll data. So go to the plugin settings, the time and attendance plugin settings, configure, and then right here you should see the payroll module. So these are some of the settings you have to do at the application level. So first of all, enable the payroll module, and then say whether you want salary to be automatically generated, and then set up the currency for the payroll, and then the pay period. Right now we've set it up as monthly, and yeah, with monthly you don't have to say the payday. With the weekly or a bi-weekly, you have to mention the payday. And then you can set up yeah, the leaves which are set up as loss of pay. So these are the list of leaves from the attendance module. So please make sure these leaves are defined in the attendance module. And you can also set up the financial year beginning for your reporting and all that. And then these are the different components of your salary. So you got to have one basic pay. This is your wages. So we have this is what we have set it up as the basic pay. You can give the name and then say what is the salary type. It's salaried or hourly, and then you set up the amount in the factor field. And these are some of the allowances. So these allowances gets added to your basic pay. Uh, so this is one of the allowances, conveyance allowance. So you give a name to the to your allowance, and then if it's a regular allowance which gets applied regularly on every paycheck, then you don't have to say the frequency. Otherwise, if it only happens like every 6 months or 3 months, this allowance gets added to your paycheck only periodically, like every 3 months or 6 months. And you got to set up the frequency and also the start date for this allowance. And then right here you can say whether it's a straight amount or it depends on another component. So if it depends on basic, you just pick basic and then say the percentage. So this is how. So right now this is set up as a straight amount. Likewise, there are deductions which gets deducted from your paycheck. So let me just show you a deduction here. You give it a name to the deduction, and then this deduction is actually depends on this basic pay, and they're deducting 12 percentage of your basic pay. So so this is how you set up your different salary components. Once these are set up, you should be able to run your I mean automatically generate your salary. And so if you want to override these settings on a per user level, you can do that. So for that, you go to the payroll tab, and then go to the user settings, and so you will see the different users within within the system. And then if you want to edit, oh, if you want to override any of your application level payroll settings for a particular user, you can override them here. So for this particular user, the basic pay is being overridden, the HRA is overridden, the conveyance. So different allowances, deductions and basic can be overridden. So the setting itself it's either at the application level, and it can be overridden at the user level. So once these are set up, we're ready to generate salary. To do that, you select the pay period here. So if you want to generate pay for if you want to generate pay for you want to generate pay for this month, for September, you select the September month and just say generate. It'll generate the salary for that period with the payday of October 1st. So this data is already generated, so I'm not going to generate again. To see that data, this it has a payday of October 1st, so I'm going to pick the October month here. So now I can see all the salary generated for the month of September with the payday of October 1st. So these are the different salary user salary generator. So if you want to view one of them, just go click on this edit icon. It will take you to the detailed page where you can see the information, the specifics of each salary generated. And then a few reports you can run for the payroll. There's a payroll report. All users, and say, we'll change this to, I think that's fine. So this is the payroll report. It gives you the generated salary for a particular month. And likewise, if individual users want to see their pay slip, they can do so as well. So this is the individual pay slip. So this is pretty much it on the payroll module. So hope you like the payroll module recently added to our plugin. So this is our contact information. So if you need any help or support or any customization to time and attendance application or the payroll module, feel free to contact us. We should be able to help you. Thank you very much for taking a look at this video.